I'm Sushma. Welcome to today's meditation. Make sure that you are in an undisturbed place, preferably alone. Put away any distractions. Make sure that you are sitting comfortably. Take a few deep breaths and center yourself. With every inhale, allow your body to relax. With every exhale, feel any tension or stress or tightness in your body going away. As you inhale, feel the calm and peace entering your body and getting into each and every cell of you. Take a few gentle breaths as you enjoy this calmness. Now imagine that you are at the starting point of a lush, green, beautiful garden. And this garden has a number of beautiful trees, bushes, and shrubs. At the first glance, you see a variety of green, different beautiful, soothing colors of green that are the absolute definition of peace and calm. Slowly walk into the garden along the stone path. Feeling the coolness of the breeze. See the gentle swaying of the shrubs and the beautifully colored flowers on them. There are some lovely yellow flowers, some bright pink and red flowers, some bright and beautiful orange flowers. All of them swaying in unison to the tunes of the breeze. As you look around, you see huge trees that offer shade and peace to everybody passing by. You hear the chirping of the birds, the light rustling of leaves, the gentle fall of leaves as you walk along the path makes you enjoy the lightness and beauty of nature. Look around and go towards that tree or shrub or flower that you feel most attracted to. Feel the warm presence of this plant. What is it about this plant that draws you to it? What quality do you wish to imbibe? What quality of this plant resonates with you? Is it the unperturbed strength of the tree standing tall despite it all? Is it the warm flexibility of the little shrubs that bend when needed and come back to position? Is it the beauty and the color of the flowers that just light up the entire being by just being themselves? Or is it all of this and more? If you relate with these qualities but have not acknowledged them within you, now is the time to take a moment and tell yourself how proud you are of being unfazed during difficult times, or being flexible enough to know when to bend and let difficult times pass. Or just being there for your loved ones and spreading the fragrance and love. All of these are beautiful qualities to have. Let's not take them for granted. You are special because you are you. And every element in this garden is a reflection of you. Anything that you are drawn to is because it is an extension of you. Soak it all in. Take a few deep breaths and let's do these affirmations as you repeat them either out loud or in your mind. I am special. I recognize and celebrate my specialty and uniqueness. I am wonderful because I am me. I allow myself to shine bright. I allow my brilliance to radiate through me. I believe in my ability to always be there for me and for my loved ones whenever I want to. I embrace all parts of me that make me me. I am loving. I am loved. And I deserve to be loved. I claim my magnificence and allow my light to shine really bright. I am grateful for all that I am in every situation of life. I embrace the richness and fullness of life. I embrace me. Taking a few deep breaths, soaking in each and every word, imagining it to fill your entire being. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room, to the current moment, knowing that this entire beautiful garden is just a few breaths away. You can come back here whenever you want to and connect with the elements that are closest to your heart. Stretch, open your eyes, welcome back, and have a wonderful day.